How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can assemble parts in Fusion 360. Now, this is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure import every part that you have on your project. In my case, I'm going to be using this example right here. Now I'm going to insert or assemble this onto this specific area. And basically from here, it's really easy to do. You just have to make sure that you click on the create components from bodies, and then it will turn this into components. And then right after that, you just have to navigate through your component. So in my case, I have this component straight here. Let's just click on the constraint components, select your component right here for the first one, and then you want to select where you want to assemble your part. So you can only do this if you have enabled the components option. And then now we have the ability to adjust this to whatever you want to. Maybe you want to do something like 10 millimeters. You could just do that, but that's generally how you do it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.